That's how you start that morning off. Steak and cheese biscuit. Morning, everybody. Jason got PJ in the back. Hollis Farms. Boy, that biscuit was good. I mean, good. Anyway, it's still raining. It's cold too. Mid-30s with rain. Well, I tell you what, down south here, I know it gets very cold up north, but down here with all this humidity and moisture, man, it's just bone chilling cold. So anyway, I got a little project I'm gonna do this morning, I don't know, I kind of get out of mood to do stuff when it's so wet, but I got one little project I want to do on a roof down here, and yeah, get a little something done today anyway. Too wet to do anything else, and it's supposed to rain more here after a while. Like, I think we're supposed to get over an inch. The little river might be about out down here. We'll check that out when we get down here. Alright, so she ain't out yet, but another inch or so she might. She's rolling. Girl, what you doing? What are you doing off that thing? Huh? Running? Alright, y'all, so here's my project for today. I hauled this trough down. It's been a while, but I'm ready to use it, and on my way down here, part of the roof blew off. So I have got, somebody left a knife in there. Oh, I got a piece of tin in the back of the Lexus. Y'all ever seen anybody haul metal roofing in a Lexus? But we did, and gonna see if I can get this thing patched up where we can use it. I gotta get these screws out. I hope I got everything I need. We're gonna see right here directly though. All right, first thing I gotta do is take some of these screws out so we can slide this metal under it. Should have measured this metal, how long it needed to be before I brought it. I wouldn't have to cut it again. I dug a piece out of the bushes at the house. Kind of bent up, but I believe it's gonna work. And it may not be too long, I don't know. The main thing is I didn't want it to be too short. I think we're gonna make it work. Haul the material in the Lexus. So I couldn't remember how big these things were exactly, so I just guessed. And I said, I'm gonna cut this thing like 4 foot long. I just measured, and I cheated a little bit and went 50. These things are 48 feet long, so I actually did pretty good. I ain't got to lap it far. I'm gonna see if I can slide it up under there. This metal's silver, but it ain't gonna matter. If I can ever get it slipped up under there. I kind of bent it a little bit when I was fooling with it, getting it out. I want to just wrap it on so I get a hangover. There. Look there. I really have what I needed to cut it right. So I'm glad I don't want it to leak. Shoot, I ain't hung over but about 2 inches past it. I bet you I don't cut it again. I'm gonna leave it just like so. I need to do some bending on it. Golly, I warped it up just a little bit. Ain't in there straight. We doing government work today, it'll be alright. I think we're working on it now. Alright, so it's kind of one of them deals. I don't have exactly what I need, but I got enough to, I think, to make it work. That's the main goal. Is to make it work. It ain't gotta be pretty. Gotta make sure. I do want to make sure I'm down right here, right though, or good enough to. Now we got down in there. Yeah. By golly, I ain't but about an inch off now. Oh, I won't have to go through that cutting again. Just hope what screws I got I can get to go through here. We'll see. If I can eyeball this. I ain't popping no line or nothing. Whew, it is cold, y'all. I might be better off. Let me get these wood screws. I don't know if they're gonna go through it. I'm gonna get me a little drill bit to make this easier. So I ain't got any self tappers, so I'm gonna just drill me a little pilot hole to get this thing started. Make it a little bit easier. Get one in there where it won't move. We'll be good. Man, it's gonna be cold here in a minute. Oh yeah, we cooking now. If I can do that a couple more times, let me put a couple down through here. Wouldn't want to do a whole feeder like this, but no more than we got to do, we'll be all right. push on this one. A little bit, it must be bent a little bit right there. Got her that time. This is gonna work out pretty good, I believe, y'all. Better than I thought it was. I'm gonna trim that little corner right there where I don't hit my head on it when I'm filling up. I don't know how that thing keeps getting so tight. All right, let's see if we can hit this one. Got a little high. Got to angle it in there. Alright, let's see if I can toenail it in here. Put one more in the middle if I can guess right. Then screw the ridge down, we'll be ready. These two drills, don't they? There's some self-tappers, one. Oh. About stripped out. Now, I like that. We get this ridge on. I figure out how I'm gonna do that. The screws that holding the ridge down, I ain't got a nut runner big enough. I think I can get on the end though and catch some wood, but these long ones like we've been doing, we'll be fine. Alright, let's see if we can get this. If I get one in this ridge, I'll be pretty happy. I might try to get two in it. Not sure my screw is long enough to do what I'm fixing to try to do, but I believe it is. Come on, drill. Why are we slipping so bad? Here just might work. I got one more longer screw in my pocket if I can find it. Now let's see. Look at that. That's money, that. I don't know if I got any wood to get a hold of right there or not. If I do, I might put one in it. It had some of them Six tappers holding it together. They ain't got a bit long enough. No, it ain't going nowhere. Trim this edge just a little bit where it wouldn't poke me in my head when I'm filling. Just barely hanging over. I ain't worried about trimming that. It ain't pretty, but keep the water out of it. That's the main concern, is keep our feed dry. So did good. Good little project. Ain't it, PJ? How do you manage to get so wet so quick, huh? Yeah. Alright, y'all, so it is still raining. And it ain't over with yet. It ain't raining hard, but it is wet now. So anyway, guess we'll just have to see what the next few days bring. Wet and cold for sure. Appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.